Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to find Facebook users from your contacts list. Go to the Facebook Messenger from your apps list. Tap on the people icon from the bottom. Then tap on the Add People icon from the top right corner. Here you can see an option Sync Contacts. If you tap on this, then Messenger will find Facebook users from your contacts list. Now tap on Sync Contacts. A confirmation message will pop up. Tap on OK. Tap on Allow. And you can see 41% are using Facebook with the number in your contacts list. Now tap on here. These are the 41 new contacts who are using Facebook with the mobile number in your contacts list. You can easily contact with them by tapping on their profile. So that is how you can find Facebook users from your contacts list. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.